Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at eyes open network, how to swap your eyes to ION online plus. So here is the latest update 23 hours ago. So here they said the dollar eyes swap to dollar ION migration is now live in online plus, so everyone can seamlessly swap their tokens directly inside the app using our self-custodial wallet. Now let's see online.ion. Now they say the first swap wave is available only for eyes on BSC. So it's only eyes on BSC that you can swap to ION on BSC. So there must be the same pair, eyes on BSC and ION on BSC. So take note of that. Do not swap eyes from BSC to eyes to ION Ethereum. So don't make that mistake. They said access will be gradually enabled over the next 72 hours. Did you see that? So the access will be enabled over the next 72 hours. So if you swap your own and it did not go successfully, that means you need to wait 72 good hours. So they say if it doesn't work for you yet, it will shortly. Did you hear that? So I'm just giving this clarification before I start, so that if it did not work for me, we need to calm down. After 72 hours, we'll try it. Definitely it is going to work. Now, so once rollout is complete, swaps will be fully enabled for everyone, including the ION on BSC to ION on ION chain, and for ION on ION chain, ION on BSC. So what they're trying to say here is that once the swapping method is enabled for everybody, you can swap from BSC to ION or ION chain to another ION, or to ION chain to ION on BSC. So that is what they're trying to say, is that the whole swap method will be enabled for every user. But right now, it is only enabled for ION to BSC. So take note of that. They say over the coming period, we will allow the entire community to complete the migration while we prepare the next major milestone. The official $ION listing launch together with tokenized communities and pump it now in browser extension. So start wasting much of your time. Let's go to the main app. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification. You can also join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel for high value updates. So to swap our eyes on BSC to ION on BSC, we have to click on this wallet session. Once you tap on your wallet session, you can now locate this place that says swap. You tap on it. First, swapping effort. Look at what they say. Swap token effortlessly coming soon. Now, this is what you need to do. You have to update the app to the latest version. You have to go to your Play Store. Let's go to Play Store and update the app. Come in here, you search for ION here on the top. I know everybody knows how to search. You can now see updates. You need to update this app so that you can swap seamlessly. That's the first step. And I don't want to update so that I'll carry you guys along. Update it, then you proceed. So once it has installed, you click on open here. Click on this open. Okay, let's wait for it. So we are having the latest version now. It will be so easy for us to swap. Now, what we are going to do at this point is to locate this place. You have to tap on this wallet session again. And to tap on the wallet session, you now tap on the swap method. You click on the swap. Can you see? So you must update your app to the latest version. Coming here, you can now see that this eyes I have here is on BSC. So what we are going to do is to put the amount of eyes you want to swap. If you are swapping everything, you paste it on 100%. So tap 100%. Now everything you have will come up. Now that you have your eyes here, you have to select the coin. Click on select coin. Wait for it. So now you are going to click on this open eyes open network, that is ION. You tap on it. So here you can see we have two options. We have eyes on open network and we have eyes on open network. So what we are going to do is to click on this. Know it that we are swiping from eyes on BSC to ION on BSC. So you tap on this one. Now you will now see that the conversion rate is 1:1. The conversion rate of this is 1:1. So you can see you need to continue. You are swapping from eyes BSC to ION BSC. They must be the same pair. Look at it. They must be the same pair BSC. So you click on continue here. One eyes is equals to one IO, and then you click on swap here. You can see swap. You tap on swap. Now I need to verify with my password to show that I'm the rightful owner of this. So I need to put my password right now. So now that I've put my password, I'll click on confirm. Wait for it. Verify with password. It's going to take time to verify. Can you see swap complete? Did you see I have finally swapped my eyes to ION? You saw when it says swap complete. So here you can now see that I finally swapped my eyes from my eyes to ION. You can see there's nothing here on the eyes, rather I have it on ION. Now this is another trick you need to know. For you to swap seamlessly, you will have at least $2 worth of BNB. If you see here, if you look at this place, I have BNB 1.96 and I deposited $2.03 worth of BNB, which gave me 0.024 BNB. And at the end, they reduced just 2.4, or let me say 0.22. That was what they removed from this. So it's little amount of BNB that you need to have in your wallet before you will be able to swap. If you don't have BNB on your online plus, you will not be able to swap. I did that. I transferred the BNB before I started recording this video. So know it and have peace. And if you want to buy BNB, do not forget I'm currently buying and selling any token, listed and unlisted. Reach out to me on my WhatsApp and I'll sell to you at the best rate. So you will now ask me, how will I deposit BNB to my wallet? If you come over to your wallet here, you will see BNB here. You tap on this BNB. Once you tap on the BNB, you click on receive. Then you copy your BSC address. If your BNB is under BSC, you copy it. If your BNB you are transferring is under Ethereum, you copy it. So copy your address. I use BNB under BSC. That's Binance Smart Chain. You tap on it. Once you tap on it like this, you copy your address and transfer $2 worth of BNB. Approximately you can see it here. Approximately 0.024 BNB. You can do that. Reach out to me, I'll sell to you at the best rate. So that is it for this video. I believe you got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, join our WhatsApp for high value update. Thank you guys.